Have you ever wondered how AI can understand and process information just like a human brain? The secret lies in attention mechanisms. Think of attention mechanisms as a spotlight that helps AI focus on what's truly important, just like how you focus on specific words while reading this sentence. What makes attention mechanisms so crucial in modern AI? They allow neural networks to weigh the importance of different parts of input data, similar to how we pay more attention to important details in a conversation. By assigning different levels of importance to various elements, AI can process information more efficiently and make better decisions. How does this impact real-world applications? Attention mechanisms are the backbone of language translation, image recognition, and even self-driving cars. When translating text, AI uses attention to understand which words are connected and how they relate to each other in different languages. In image processing, attention helps AI focus on relevant features while ignoring unnecessary background details. Can you imagine the possibilities this creates for future AI development? Attention mechanisms continue to evolve, making AI systems more sophisticated and human-like in their ability to process information. Want to dive deeper into attention mechanisms? Here are some recommended resources. 1. The Attention is All You Need paper by Vaswani et al. 2. Stanford's CS224N course on natural language processing. 3. DeepLearning.AI's attention mechanism tutorials. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for daily AI content.